The yellow stains on the toilet seat will disappear within minutes. The toilet will be white again without using harmful detergents. Do you have such stains on the underside of the seat? Many people struggle to remove them. They form due to the deposition of urine and water droplets during flushing. Urine stains the seat, and the limescale formed by the water can initially be invisible, then gradually take on a slightly yellowish color. If you clean the toilet and seat with strong detergents, its surface may be damaged and more susceptible to various stains. But there's a trick to it. Just make a homemade paste. The stains and discolorations will vanish. The toilet will be white again. This method saves me in such situations. I don't have to replace the seat with a new one yet. Take baking soda and pour it into a container. Add some hydrogen peroxide to it, just enough to create a paste. Mix it. It's best to use an old toothbrush for this. It's perfect for applying this substance to stains. The baking soda and hydrogen peroxide paste should be thick enough to stick to the stains. Leave it on the toilet for about 10 minutes. During this time, the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide will dissolve the stains. Then just remove everything, wipe it with paper, and you're done. With this hotel trick, your toilet will shine for a long time. This trick saves me when I forget to buy the right cleaning products. You only need ingredients that you are sure to always have at home. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into a bowl. Salt acts as a natural cleaning agent that effectively removes deposits from various surfaces. Another ingredient is a tablespoon of washing powder. Any washing powder removes dirt and neutralizes bad odors. The last product is vinegar, which has antibacterial, antiviral, and antiseptic properties. Pour about 3 tablespoons and mix everything thoroughly. Pour 3/4 of the resulting mixture into the toilet bowl, then scrub the toilet thoroughly, brush from the inside. Apply the remaining mixture to the sponge, and clean all other parts of the toilet. In a few seconds, you have created a cleaner that is effective for use. With it, you have a clean, shiny, and fragrant toilet. A hotel housekeeper shared a secret with me that you'll never find online. Just stick a few pads under the toilet seat and spray them with your favorite air freshener. Every time you lift the seat, it releases a fresh, pleasant scent, just like in luxury hotels. Now for the toilet itself. Place the toilet brush inside the bowl and lower the lid to hold it in place. Pour toilet cleaner over the brush, spray some disinfectant, and sprinkle scented beads on top. Add some fabric softener and dish soap. The more colors, the better. Then sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda, which naturally removes limescale and buildup. Add some shaving foam and even more scented beads. Then again, add dish soap in a different color. Pour plenty of vinegar over everything. The mixture will start to fizz, creating an active foam that cleans every corner of the toilet. Scrub with the brush as usual. After flushing, you'll see a result like after professional cleaning. The toilet will shine and smell fresh for weeks. The combo of scented pads and foaming cleaner gives you hotel-level cleanliness and fragrance. Get rid of yellow stains in just a few seconds. Yellow stains on your blouse can be quite troublesome and hard to remove, especially when they've deeply penetrated the fabric. Often, traditional cleaning products aren't enough, so it's helpful to know an effective method. Take a larger glass bowl and prepare hydrogen peroxide, which has bleaching properties that will help effectively remove the stains. Add a little to the bowl. Then add vinegar, which is an ideal ingredient for whitening clothes at home. It works as a stain remover and helps dissolve any remaining dirt. The final key ingredient is dish soap, whose cleaning properties make it effective at removing stains without damaging the fabric. Add some dish soap. Lastly, pour in warm water and mix everything together so the ingredients combine. Finally, place the stained item into the bowl. If the stain is more stubborn, leave it for a moment. Scrub the stain against the fabric thoroughly, then rinse. If you're wondering how to get rid of yellow stains, this method is perfect. Your blouse will be snow white and look as good as new. This is how you'll clean even a very dirty toilet without any scrubbing. The fizzing foam will do all the work for you. Prepare a small bowl. Add 6 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda has disinfecting properties and handles tough grime very well. Add 6 tablespoons of citric acid too. This natural ingredient has a whitening effect, removes limescale, neutralizes unpleasant odors, and boosts the cleaning power of the entire mixture. Pour the contents of the bowl into the toilet. But that's not all. Add a bit of your favorite dish soap. It will help break down greasy dirt. Next, pour about 1.5 quarts of vinegar into the toilet. Vinegar has strong disinfecting properties. It effectively eliminates bacteria, fungi, and mold. When the ingredients combine, the mixture will start to fizz vigorously. This chemical reaction acts like an invisible brush that reaches every corner. Leave the foam for several minutes so it has time to dissolve dirt and disinfect the toilet interior. After just a few minutes, you'll notice a fresh, clean scent in the bathroom, and your toilet will shine like new. Pour Rinse Aid into the toilet. It works better than you think. If you've never used Rinse Aid in your toilet before, you need to try this. However, don't pour it in directly. First, prepare a powerful cleaning mixture. Start by pouring 125 milliliters of vinegar into a container. Vinegar effectively dissolves deposits and has antibacterial properties. Next, add 1 tablespoon of salt, which helps remove stubborn dirt and prevents limescale buildup. Stir well until the salt is completely dissolved, then transfer the mixture into a spray bottle. Now, add the key ingredient, 50 milliliters of Rinse Aid. This will make surfaces shine. Always shake the bottle before use to ensure the ingredients are well mixed. Spray the inside of the toilet, the seat, and the lid generously. Let the solution sit for a while to work its magic, then wipe everything down with a cloth. Dirt and stains will disappear instantly. This mixture also works wonders on sinks and faucets, removing limescale and water stains while leaving them sparkling clean. Your bathroom will be fresher and shinier than ever. The unpleasant odor coming from your toilet bowl will disappear immediately. You'll finally get rid of the smell from the drains once and for all. Here's what you need to do. Add a tablespoon of sugar to a bowl. Pour in warm, but not hot, water. Then take about half a block of fresh yeast, crumble it, and add it to the sugar water. Mix everything thoroughly. The yeast will dissolve, forming a milky mixture. This means the yeast is reacting with the sugar and is ready to use. Pour the mixture into the toilet bowl and leave it overnight, or at least for a few hours. Unlike chemical cleaning agents that may temporarily mask odors or damage pipes, yeast is a natural and safe solution. It works without harmful chemicals, supporting natural decomposition processes to eliminate the bad smell. After the set time, clean the toilet with a brush and flush. Your toilet will be clean and fresh. If you have dried yeast at home, it works just as well as fresh yeast. Simply follow the same steps, using an entire packet of dried yeast. This mixture will also remove the unpleasant odor. If the smell returns, simply repeat the process and pour yeast into the toilet again.